Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console down and removing accessories so nothing moves unexpectedly. Once done, take off the Joy-Con strap and isolate the stuck controller. Use compressed air around the rail to expel debris, and wipe the rail with a microfiber cloth dampened with a little isopropyl. Then, gently apply a plastic pry tool at the seam to relieve pressure. Small, careful motions prevent damage. Make sure you work in good light and steady your hands on a flat surface. Now focus on the rail itself. You're looking for fibers, dust, or a bent tab causing the jam. Once identified, use a plastic spudger or toothpick to tease out debris. Small angled motions work better than brute force. If nothing shows, warm the edge slightly with your hands to relax plastic, then blow short bursts of compressed air while you nudge the controller. Make sure to alternate sides gently. This evens pressure and reduces the chance of cracking the rail. Finish by carefully reseating the Joy-Con into the rail and testing the slide. You want a smooth, even feel with a definite click. Once done, power up and confirm all buttons and wireless pairing work, and charge briefly to ensure no electrical issue. If you still feel binding or see warped plastic, stop. Continued force risks cracking. As a key troubleshooting tip, if deformation is present, contact manufacturer support or consider replacing the rail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.